Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a wall photo collage step by step, whether it's in the kitchen or in your room or any other places. Step 1. Choose a spot for your photo collage wall. The first thing to do when creating a photo collage is where to choose a spot for it to go. Step 2. Outline each photo collage frame space with tape. There are a number of ways you can create a photo collage wall, and it can be hard to visualize what you're going beforehand. Using tape allows you to outline the area so you can see the space, while having the flexibility to adjust as needed. For the step 3, measure your photo collage frame spaces. Once you have everything outlined, use measuring tape to measure the size of each frame. It's crucial that you are as precise as possible. Also, make sure to keep note of which spot goes with which size. You can use a pencil to write on the painter's tape or even take a photo with a device that you can digitally mark up. And for the step 4, choose your frame and print your photos. It's time for the fun step. Choose the frames you want to use and print the photos you want to use. During this step, it's important to use high quality materials and ink. The way the photos you put up will truly stand the best of time. And for the last step, after your frames arrive and you add your photos, you can hang them up. All you have to do is place them in the areas you pick out. That said, it can be helpful to ask a family member or a friend to take a look as you're working on this. They might catch an area of the college where things don't align. If you get stuck on this final step because you can pick a photo college frame, use a design that goes with the background or the wall that you use. And there you have it, a stunning wall photo collage that reflects your best memories. It's super easy, affordable, and totally customizable. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite college type. See you next time!